Turn the front toes inward to form a triangle with the rear foot. The angle of the rear hand must match the angle of the rear foot. Walk, move, pierce, and twist. Press down with the upper hand. Flick up with the lower hand to create a twisting, wrapping force. Twist and turn. Baguazhang footwork is level, sinking as you sit. Steady as a sedan chair. Keep the back straight, knees not touching the ground. Sit as if sitting, yet not quite. Move forward. The toes must touch the ground first. Land fully, then push off with the rear foot. Use the push-off to borrow force. Distinguish solid and empty. The front foot must move straight. The rear foot follows and hooks. Again, toes land first. Hook inward. Once the front toes are pulled back, it forms a closed stance. This is the inward hook. This walking method creates a circular arc.